On that Porvorim road issue.
See, the roads are in a bad shape. We have been trying to continuously patch up with the help of the Chief Minister and the PWD department. Again, the roads before Chaturthi, we have told them it is not the external roads, the internal roads also. Because of the flyover work going, this patch is having a lot of constraints, and there has been messages going around at certain closures. We have requested the Chief Minister's intervention to see that no closure is done in Chaturthi at least. We need to discuss any closure is to happen. If it is to happen, we need to ensure the adjacent roads, everybody which are there, are to be done up in a manner which traffic can be diverted. And I feel the Chief Minister will intervene and give us a solution by Monday on the issues that we have been facing as far as this particular highway is concerned. We understand the issues faced by our people. We are with them, and we also are trying our level best to ensure that they are solved at the earliest. Where we have asked the PWD engineers to ensure that to understand the people's concern and act ASAP.